Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, lane departure warning, traction control, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, CD player, trip computer, MP3 player. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.